Hello friends, I'm doing good. Today I'll show you funny topics. It's not like funny. It's the easy topics. If you see this video, you can just laughing because everyone know. If you are iPhone user, then you know how to do this. Like, all right, I just making this one. So I'm sorry for these topics. Actually, this is the not important topics. All right. So thanks for this watching, and I'm starting right now. So if you want to close any apps on your iPhone, for example, you just open app. So how you can like close this app? Okay, so for example, I just tap here. So if I want to close this app, how I can close? So you just tap here, then here showing the your open all apps. And then if you want to close any apps, you can just slide up. It's done. Next. Yahoo! But this is the nothing. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.